Children, if something is changed in a way that it cannot be changed back, that is a chemical change.
Yep. When I was a kid, I was taught that something that changed and could not be changed back had changed chemically.
But it isn't exactly accurate. Allow me to offer an excellent example.
If I crack the egg, I definitely cannot change it back. But I also didn't change it chemically. Even if I whisk the egg, I have not changed it chemically. I've only changed it physically, mixing up its parts, but now I definitely can't put it back. But if I add heat energy to my egg by cooking it, now if you look through the egg with a really, really strong microscope at the building blocks of the egg, you would see that the proteins have been chemically changed by adding heat energy into my breakfast.
When I added heat energy to the egg, nerd? Why? A surprising violation. Adding heat does not cause a chemical reaction. I give you Zea Mays Averta. Popcorn.
When you add heat energy to popcorn kernels, the water inside the kernel begins to turn to steam and pressure builds up and explodes, turning itself into what we call popcorn. This is a physical change caused by heat energy.
Well, I was going to say when you put wet clothes in a dryer and they dry, not necessarily a heat change. Your way is way more delicious. Needs ketchup. And popcorn? Nerd.
For everything you'll need for this fun activity and 14 others, click the link below to check out our summer science box.
I have my chromatography packet and I have my building blocks. I'm going to use these to build a structure to hold up this. First, I'm going to attach my coffee filter to my stick using my little clothespins. I just want to get the top because we're going to put this part in the water. So just clip and clip. Yeah, that should hold it in place. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take my marker and my coffee filter and I'm going to make a big black spot right here at the end. Really color it in.
Now use your building blocks to create a structure to hold your filter for this experiment.
Two things I know for sure. Your structures are different than mine and your blocks are different than mine. Oop. Just need to move them around until you can balance your filter on the stick on your structure. Oh, looks like my structure's too high. Going to remove one of these bricks.
Keep working on your structure and developing it and creating it and trying out your filter until you have it the perfect height and the perfect stability. for just the pointy edge of the filter to touch the water. Don't be frustrated if it doesn't work the first time. Just remember that scientists have to do things over and over again until they get it just right.
Wait and see what happens. Do you think it's a physical change or a chemical change?